guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another cleaning video. I am so excited about this video because my husband is going to do my voiceover. I've seen a few of these videos like a couple years back, but my husband is hilarious, so I am so excited to see how this turns out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and let's get cleaning.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Justine's awesome husband doing her voiceover. I was voluntold to get this done, so let's do it. So first we're cleaning out some backpacks after a long day at school. I personally think going through backpacks is like cleaning out the car, especially under the seats. You never know what you're going to get. Alright, so now we're on to cleaning out this kitchen sink. That looks like a lot of kids' stuff in there, so I don't understand why they're not cleaning it. Between Justine and I, we clean, I don't know, everything.
How I feel about you. It's so easy for you to come home to me, come back home to me. People change, get so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy. Make me smile and I'll give you my best. I'll take my time and I'll push my fears away till the time, till the season when you come back to me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear.
I don't know about you guys, but I hate a nasty sink. We gotta get the powder in there, we gotta get some soap in there, and start scrubbing. Just like in the shower, you gotta really scrub, get that undercarriage done. Don't want any surprises. Make it nice and shiny. Alright, the missus loves shiny stuff.
Your smile takes me out of myself and over the edge.
If you guys with kids know, appliances, stainless steel appliances, fingerprints everywhere. Again, love that shininess. Gotta keep them clean, keep the fingerprints off, keep the smudges off. Fridge is looking pretty decent for 10 years old. Get that stovetop clean. Scrub-a-dub-dub.
I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now. Set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations will silently pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you want.
And next we have our ever-inviting laundry room, nice and bright, somewhat clean. Hopefully the camera doesn't pan over to see the real mess behind her. Just like any other household, we do 1, 2, sometimes 3 loads of laundry a day. House of 5. Kids change 75 times a day. Get it all in there. Throw it all in. Spray it. Set it and forget it. Eat or done.
Dream about you smoking out the window. Oh, darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star too. Grow legs and start talking, walking right beside you. Cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listen to the crickets on my shoulder.
Best thing we ever bought. Dyson V8 vacuum. Gets in all the nooks and crannies. Quick and easy to use. Battery power kind of stinks though. It'll die pretty quick. We must vacuum this house a couple times a day. You know, having a dog. Ladies with hair, crazy hair. Alright, so gotta get those smudges and kids' fingerprints off everywhere. Alright, gotta shine it up. Shine it, Cinderella, shine it!
De la part de tous vos amis du CET, merci et bienvenue.
In my world.
And there's that vacuum again. Getting up all the Legos, Cheez-Its, crackers. Gotta get it up. Girl, don't leave those lines. Get rid of those lines. No! Man, I gotta do everything myself.
And when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting.
Just some more, straighten it up. Set the pillows. Fold and fix the blanket 75 times. It gets moved another 75 times by the kids. Still leaving tags on the blanket. Come on, girl, fix it. Yeah. The one room in the house that I despise, the kids' bathroom. I don't know how anything gets where it is. There's toothpaste on the ceiling, on the mirrors, underneath rugs. I don't get it. There's just stuff everywhere. Little 7-year-old boys missing the toilet seat. Drives me nuts.
That didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your lines. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out.
Let's do a quick tour. See what's been done. Alright, Justine's done a great job once again, except for those lines on the rug. Making our house look beautiful. This woman doesn't get enough credit, but working hard, being a stay-at-home mom, hybrid learning for 2 kids, sometimes 3. Love you, babe. Thanks for watching Justine's channel. Don't forget to subscribe below and we'll see you next time.
Deuces.